Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This morning I want to teach parents how to use palm oil and salt to to treat cough. Some parents, if their children have cough, they will be running helter skelter. Meanwhile, they have palm oil and salt in the house. Just take 1 teaspoon of palm oil, add little salt, very little salt on it. Give your son or your daughter to drink. Then that's it. Nothing more. 1 teaspoon of palm oil and little salt. That's all. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Add me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 09058010937. Please do me a favor, share this video to people on your contacts. Share to your friends and out there. Please help me share this video. You can actually you actually help some people. Please. Thank you and God bless you.